Okay guys, so as a dive into a niche, we've gone gaming as the category, we've gone to Minecraft, and now we're going to drill down even further as inspiration to build the channel. So I've done a search for Minecraft's history on YouTube. That has had 153,000 views. If we scroll down here, Minecraft Millionaire, House Battle versus Unspeakable. This is Preston Plays. He has had 2 million views on this video. And then what you can see here is that this video 2 weeks ago, everything in the Minecraft 1.16 Nether update. This shows you that you can drill down into very, very specific things. You can see here Dan OMG has done Minecraft Noob versus Pro Hidden Base in Minecraft. There's lots of inspiration here to help you decide what videos you are going to make. Be very, very specific. If it's a game that involves power-ups, then talk about the power-ups and the best power-ups. Rank the power-up. There is lots of content. One thing to note, all the thumbnails look pretty similar. They're very colorful. They're all of gameplay. This is going to give you an idea of how you might brand your channel. That if you just squint your eyes and scroll through the page, you can see the colors that come up. There's a lot of green. There's a lot of this blue. That can be the color that you use to brand your channel. Look at that fiery red. Red, blue, and green. The floor is lava. We're going to go for blue, green, and red as the colors for our channel. So the next thing I need to do is I need to set up my channel art at the top of my page and my profile picture. So here we go. I'm going to take you through how to create your channel art and how to create your YouTube channel profile picture.